In this tutorial, you will learn how to create animated gradient backgrounds like these. After creating the project, go to the project panel, right-click mouse button, hover over New Item, and select Black Video. Press OK to add. Drag the video to the timeline and extend the video on the timeline as long as you want. Now go to the Effects tab and type 4Color in the search box. Under the Generate folder, double-click on the 4Color gradient to add it to the video. Here you can see 4 separate colors that you can change to your liking. You can also use Coolors.co to generate random gradients. I have already generated a gradient palette and will use colors from it. You can increase or decrease the number of colors too. Click the left mouse button to copy the color code and paste it over here. Do the same for the rest of the 3 colors. Now move the playhead to the start and add keyframes for point 1, 2, 3, 4 and color 1, 2, 3, 4. Increase the blend value to a higher number where all 4 colors blend in well with each other. For similar colors, keep it around 300, and for different colors, keep it higher at around 700 to 800. Now move the playhead forward. Here, I have moved it around 2 seconds on the timeline. Left-click on the 4Color gradient effect. This will show the 4 anchor points, 1 for each color. Now move each anchor point to wherever you like. Move forward in time and change the position of colors again. Repeat the process by adding new keyframes ahead in time and changing the position of the colors. Now let's see how it looks. Good. You can make more copies of the video and simply change the colors to create a new animated gradient background. Here the colors are not blending properly, so I will increase the blend value. Perfect. Now I will make another copy and change the position of the keyframes to create a slightly different movement. You can also experiment by adding more effects to the video. For example, here is what mosaic effect will do to the gradient. Now, I will add posterize effect to the video. Looks good. Here is black and white effect to get a darker background. You can try more if you want. This is it for now. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.